In this video, we're going to take a look at the Pipelines module in Bud AI Foundry. In enterprise-grade GenAI deployments, several operational workflows need to run on a recurring basis. For example, teams may need to run regular model evaluations because model performance can gradually degrade over time due to data drift, and the quality of the model needs to be checked periodically. Likewise, many other workflows need to be carried out from time to time, such as switching models based on usage patterns, generating and sending reports to stakeholders, and more. Manually managing these activities every time simply doesn't scale. In the age of automation, these workflows should run automatically. That's exactly why we built the Pipelines module in Bud AI Foundry. The Pipeline module allows you to automate operational workflows by chaining together different actions available within the platform. You can create predefined workflows once and then run them automatically on a schedule or trigger them whenever needed. Let's take a closer look at how it works. Log into your Bud AI Foundry dashboard and navigate to the Pipelines tab. Click on Add Pipeline to create a new pipeline. Provide a name and a short description for the workflow you want to automate. From the Pipeline Builder page, you can start constructing workflows for different operational tasks. On the right side, you'll see various categories of actions available to use. These include cluster operations, control flow elements for defining workflow logic, deployment actions such as deploying or deleting models, notification integrations, model operations, and simulation tools. Let's walk through a simple example. Suppose you want to create a workflow that benchmarks a model periodically. First, add the benchmark model action to the pipeline. Clicking on this tile opens the configuration panel. Here you can select the model you want to benchmark, choose the cluster where the benchmarking will run, and configure the relevant benchmark parameters. Once the benchmark is completed, you may want to receive a notification. To do that, we can add a notification step to the pipeline. Select the channel through which you'd like to receive the notification, configure the title and message, and add the recipients. You can also use template variables to include dynamic details, such as benchmark results, directly within the notification message. Finally, set the severity level for the notification. This is just an example, but you get the idea. You can add as many blocks as you want, connecting the different features and functionalities available in the platform to create multi-level branched workflows as per your needs. After creating the pipeline, you can add triggers to define when the workflow should run. For example, you can add a schedule, provide a name for it, and choose the schedule type. In this case, we'll configure the pipeline to run once every week, so the model benchmark is executed automatically on a weekly basis. Once the schedule is saved, the pipeline will start executing based on the defined trigger. The execution logs can be viewed under the Runs tab. Since this is a newly created pipeline, it will appear empty for now until the first execution happens. You can return to the Pipelines tab at any time to view all the pipelines you've created. From here, you can review their configurations, monitor execution logs, or make updates whenever required. And that's a quick overview of the Pipelines module in Bud AI Foundry. With pipelines, enterprises can automate critical AI operations and ensure their GenAI systems run efficiently, reliably, and at scale.